So hello everyone, my name is Samuel Amy. Welcome to H-QTV. So here is Durov. So we are going to solve the puzzle for today. So now let's go into that. Make sure that you follow the step. So the link to my Telegram, if you want to join my Telegram page for any year drop, the link going to be under this video description, and you can also follow me on X for more content. So now I'm going to go ahead and choose the pussy for today. So the first pussy will be this one that I'm going to circle on. So that is the first that we are going to first select. So the second pussy will be this that I'm going to select next. So the third pussy now will be this one that I'm going to select. I'm going to circle right. So the last pussy will be, so let me select that. So the fourth position, that is the last position, will be this one. I'm going to select it. So I'm going to click on check. You can see 5,000 points. So now I'm going to activate it. So this is our Durov position for today. I'm going to see my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Peace.